And basically, I'm ready to set, and I'm gonna do my eyes last. Ooh, that comes out. Hey guys, are we focused? To start this vlog for this episode, I just want to talk about something, because my community is, I say my platform is a mental health initiative, and it's basically free access to anything that you can take away from this page. I just want to formally put this out there that you guys are supporting an original content creator, and everything I do is just based on my creative whims. I put a lot of time and energy into my art, and like plagiarism is kind of just, it's plagiarism. We learn about it in grade school and high school and college, all of that stuff. But if people want to be inspired from my content, that's the goal, right? The goal is to be inspired by something, to inspire and be inspired. The goal is to not to come off narcissistic, but when you're an original content creator, you know when it's yours. Okay, so for the big girlies in the back who would be new to my page, because I am defined as a micro influencer, that means I have less than 5,000 followers. I've been a micro influencer for a solid 4 years now. I basically am in the league with the big fish. The sharks have been sharking, and I'm getting sharked out. You know, I'm in the competition, I'm in the lane, and because this is YouTube and this is like a long form spiel, I don't know, I'm not like really beating around the bush. I'm just trying to say, you mega influencers, like I basically see you guys taking from my page and not crediting me, not following me, not commenting, not supporting. And I think you're kind of playing in the face of not me, but basically every brand who is supporting me, an original content creator. Yeah, you're playing in everyone's face. So consider this YouTube video a warning, since you guys are going to see this. Someone's going to see it, and I'm going to see it reflected in a different platform. So here, bust your bubbles. But nonetheless, let's vlog today. It's been a pretty weak content creating day, but it's basically going to be a content evening. I'm already fresh out the shower. We got a nice bun today. We posted, you guys want to see what I posted? I'm pretty proud of the video that I posted.
To be sitting on this blush couch. Have you on a blush couch? Okay, so y'all, we know it's been a minute, but listen, we've been outside, we've been living, we had to experience some things, and now it's time to catch up.
Okay, that was the Act Normal podcast girlies doing my little introduction for this video. I don't want to shoot wide today. I want to do my makeup and chit chat with the girls. We're almost at my ideal setup. We're almost there. I think this will do for today. I'm so picky. This is gonna be a super quick, not a makeup tutorial. Just gonna do my makeup on camera. It's gonna be a makeup and a chit chat because today's a content day. So we're gonna start with our makeup. I obviously don't want to do makeup. I think it's pretty obvious when I want to do stuff. You guys are gonna like totally get this. Like, why can I never find anything? Okay, I have my makeup to go. This is the primer that we're using right now. My makeup right now, my summer routine, I think it takes 15 minutes. and that's because I'm like a blend girl. I'm gonna use the Sephora The Best Skin Ever, because I need to I don't know the shelf life on these products. No, honestly, I don't know the shelf life on these products, but you start running through them. Yeah, coming out a little thick. Last time I did my makeup, ooh, where's my milk makeup baggie? I'm gonna use let me try out this. It is their Hydro Grip Set Plus Refresh Spray. It's an alcohol-free setting spray made with blue agave extract to grip makeup up to 12 hours and hydrating hyaluronic acid to refresh the skin. Let's open it up. Yes, on my Instagram I posted the story time about how I met the founder of Milk Makeup. He came into my parking garage and he gifted me some free products. They're gonna definitely be the base of today's makeup look. I'm not having no issues. I've been crossing paths with really cool people lately. This is the packaging. Fun. Okay. And then along with that, I got basically 3 new blushes from Milk Makeup as well. Ah! Not gonna swatch them for you guys. Oh my gosh, because I just did the PSA before I started my makeup. This is because basically I've been on social media long enough to just be aware of who like the culture vultures are, and the people who they're not really I wouldn't really call them original content creators. I think they spend their time kind of just like vulturing the For You pages and their explore pages. This was what I was trying to avoid. It's all right. Mascara and lip liner were the last product left in the bag. You try to like, you say you're gonna avoid something and you try to like intentionally avoid it and then you just do it. You guys are catching that on camera. So whatever, let's just get straight to our makeup. I've been using this this skin tint shade 375 from Maybelline because I'm not a PR girly yet, and it's okay. It's okay. It's not my most favorite immediate blend. It's definitely not my Fenty Beauty. This is definitely this was definitely their darkest shade when they bought it, or when I bought it. So I am a South Sudanese person. My skin is deep and dark and rich, as you guys can see. And so when it comes to shopping for makeup, I am typically a darkest, deepest shade influencer. So the products I pick up will typically always be in the deepest, darkest shades. If you go through my Instagram, you go through my photos, you go through my reels, you'll see that the products I use are typically darkest shade. So I like to do my first layer of foundation, just one, and then I like to do just I typically start the concentration on my cheeks, working inward, and the first layer typically just kind of gives me an idea of look, I'm gonna mess with the lighting a bit. I don't know. I just changed the lighting and I just stained my denim. Okay, So voiceovers make me nervous. So right now I'm trying to like work and talk, and I'm messing up. I'm making mistakes because I'm nervous. Because my primer is NYX, we'll do some NYX foundation. We'll do some NYX concealer, excuse me. Thank God this is YouTube and not for Instagram. Alright, it's the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer and Color Corrector. It's in the shade Deep Espresso. Because this is like makeup, I guess it'll be funny to edit for the YouTube. And it's summer, so I've been going really light with my, this is like even more product than I would typically been going with, but it's alright. My makeup, I would describe it as definitely clean girl aesthetic, the makeup no makeup look. This is super natural. Super natural is what I prefer. Like, no, wait, that blended out so nicely. I'm pissed. I'm literally almost out of that concealer. I'm gonna have to go buy some more. This did its big one. I like it. Yeah, blended out gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Because you guys see the base, we'll come back maybe for at the end or for a powder. When you guys are being weird, I always hope you guys aren't being weird to me. I'd be like, damn, that's weird. I hope that it wouldn't be weird to me. Yeah. What do I consider weird? Well, I already have stalkers. I think weird is basically when you're just so obsessed with someone that like you start to take on their mannerisms as if you guys were friends. And this is literally in the like the social media world. Like, you just spend so much time on someone's page that you start talking like them, moving like them, acting like them, and you don't really realize it. And I think it's really weird because we're like real people. Like, I'm a real person. I have a real job. I have a real degree. I have real friends and a real family. And so because you're like on my page and you're like picking up all these things that are just like in your own mind, you come around me and then you just act like that's not true. I think that's weird. And these are just precautions for when I'm famous. It's not really like, I'm not trying to shade nobody. It's just for when I'm famous. Like, for example, what am I doing crossing paths with the founder of Milk Makeup? Yeah, like, I don't know about you guys, but whatever. This blush is in the shade Quark. My face is serving. This is a really red blush. These little pocket blushes are so cute. I'm still learning how to put on these types of blushes, so forgive me. My inspo, I don't have any powder on. Let's see, whatever. I might need a brush for this one. And it's also a lip. It's a cheek and lip. Lip plus cheek. and maybe on camera I will clean my brushes with you guys to end. That's something I can do for YouTube. I don't think Instagram is interested in my dirty makeup brushes. But basically, before I start my evening, I have to do my makeup. I just like I need to get back into this brush. It's a powder brush. I don't know, it might be from Sephora, but I need to get back into this. I like it. So I do loose powder under my eyes and my highlight points, and you should too. You should too. I have a pressed powder for my cheekbones. My pressed powder is a bit dark. So I tried putting under my under eye, one of my makeup looks, and in my opinion, I ruined it. So let's see. It's a L'Oreal True Match. It comes with a little mirror that I love. Alright. Because it's so dark, I sometimes double it up as a contour. But I do have a contour stick. I just don't like, I haven't been doing glam. It's summer in New York City and it hasn't really called for a glam, so I haven't been needing my contour stick like that. You guys will see in a moment. And then I like to do it right here. Boom. Boom. And basically, I'm ready to set, and I'm gonna do my eyes last. Ooh, that comes out